It's your girl SHANNY, and I am here with my very first tutorial to give you guys that I have not done in 2 years, but I'm back and I'm better. No, I'm kidding. But no, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment. I love you guys' feedback. I absolutely love it. But anywho, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so for my brows, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of voiceover just because I feel like everybody knows how to do brows by now. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let the music play and let's get it. So we just finished brows. Brows takes me about 15 minutes is according to this video. I'm very particular on my brows, but anywho, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm priming my eyes with the P. Louise base. This is Rumour number 3 base, and I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. Let's get into the most fun, most dramatic, most popular, most on demand. No, I'm kidding. But let's get into eyeshadow, you guys. So I'm going in with 3 palettes today. And I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, why so many? But you know, I'm using 1 color in each palette. I'm that extra. No, but seriously, I'm going in with 3 palettes. Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Morphe palette. This is 35V as in violets. And then James Charles palette by Morphe. I'm gonna go into the Morphe palette. I'm gonna go in with a very deep dark blue, which is this one right here. Yeah, this one right here. I'll go in with that dark blue. I'm using a fluffy flat brush kind of. I got this like from, so I'm just gonna do like a C shape basically, you guys. Just right into here. And I'm gonna follow my crease basically. I don't take it up too high on my very first coat, the crease here. So since I have hooded eyes, I kind of make up my own crease. So next I'm gonna go into my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna go in with this purple, and then I'm gonna go in with this pink. So for the purple, I'm gonna use my Morphe 506 brush. It is a fluffy brush, and it just gets on down through there. Okay, I can't really roll my tongue, but you know. And we're gonna go right on top of the blue and right a little bit on the blue, just to make sure. You don't want to go too far up with this. And basically on the second shade that I'm using, I literally just dab the shadow on before I go in circular motions. I just dab it. You're going to put a line on your eyelid, right? You know, just a little line. Enough. Or you can even do it this way, it don't even matter. Just take enough. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna look up. Okay? And boom. Hello. It gives you that direction. And I'm gonna go in next with this sky blue here. Yes, this sky blue here. Looks very dark on camera, but it's a sky blue. So this is basically what this is going to look like. Do my other eye off camera and I will be right back. So I did my other eye off camera, put my foundation on. I just applied my highlight and contour. So with it.
Baking. I feel like baking your face just gives you more flashback whenever you come take pictures on that camera with the flash. So I do not set my face. Or yeah, bake my face. Like literally.
Your favorite place is to contour your face or to even just dust off this powder.
I'll use a Morphe brush. You just kind of like lightly powder contour my nose, just a little bit, not too much, just to get a little bit of color. I don't really give it like that finished look.
Alright, you guys, now that everything is set and everything And last but not least, everything that makes every single look are lashes. Today's lashes, I'm gonna be doing Deja Shea lashes in the style Commander. I'm gonna pop these babies on, and I will be right back to show you the finished look. Alright, you guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, it's your girl Chantel Monet. Bye.